mga guests.
Tama na daw.
Pwede ito pala.
Good evening. I just would like to ask, after si Mary Joy, marami kong tanong. Pero nasagot mo na. Ito sinabi mo. Saan natira? Babalik ka ba? Are you going back to competitive run after Taiwan?
Question ko din nga sa sarili ko, sir. Depends on my performance, sir. So, after the EVA Air, what would be if I would be able to hit again the sub 3 hours, that would be very competitive already. Because as of now, even though I'm out of the competitive running here in the country, but I am still aware of the timing of our women marathoners. So, I am very updated pa din po sa mga marathoners natin ngayon. So, yeah. Finishing a sub 3 marathon would be a perfect or a good sign for me to...
But you started running already, I suppose.
Yeah, yes, sir. Starting to run back.
Anong daily distance mo right now?
No, targeting, not hitting, not more than ano pa din, sir. So, I am running average of 10K a day after work and on a weekend na. So, because my coach said that I have to hit a certain weight pa muna before adding higher mileage in order for me to prevent from getting injuries while running my first marathon again after almost, because my last marathon was March 2023, the Tokyo Marathon. So it's almost 2 years,
2 years.
I think, yeah. So have to focus more on getting back into shape first. So running at least 10 or 1 hour to 90 minutes pa muna, and then eventually increasing the distance while we're gonna work on the proper preparation for the EVA Air 5 months and 5 months prior, 3 months before the EVA.
Okay. Next question for Evelyn. Are there prizes at stake? What are the prizes at stake for the winner?
Actually, for this year, we haven't announced yet, but based on last year, the price, what is it, should be like 110K, right? 110K last year, 2024.
110,000
In Taiwan dollars.
for the 42K champion.
Yeah, for the full marathon, 42.
And then for the other races, there will be
Big
prizes also.
Yeah.
Okay. You expect maximum of 24,000 this year.
Yeah, that is
What was the number last year?
This one actually was should be around the same because we introduced a full marathon back in 2022. So before that, we don't have a full marathon. So marathon this year going to be the third year. So we hit it towards the numbers to 24K.
Okay. Last question. How many Filipino runners are you expecting?
This one actually, I'm expecting around like a 300. Yeah, I think so. But actually, the numbers should be under their control.
Okay.
So their control everything.
But previous year, just one last question.
Previous
This
year,
year there were Filipinos running.
yeah, this is very much like for us, EDA. We was through Travel Case Help. This is our biggest ever years. We sending like training for 300 runners back to Taiwan to join our marathon. If you ask last year how many of us, just around 10, 20, just around these numbers.
Okay. Thank you very much.